Here's how to sync WhatsApp contacts on your iPhone. Now, I have my iPhone and WhatsApp open here. I'm going to walk you through two different ways that we can sync up or add contacts to your iPhone. This is especially the case if you tap on a conversation and it doesn't have their name. It's not registering their name from your iPhone. It's just showing up with their phone number. Now, the first thing that we can do is tap on the plus at the top right and then tap on New Contact. You'll be able to see you have the ability to enter in a first name and a last name, but the most important part is to enter in the phone number and turn on Sync Contact to Phone. So you can see when you turn this on, essentially when you add a contact within WhatsApp, it will also be added to your iPhone. So that's the first thing if you just wanted to manually create a new contact. But you might already have all those contacts saved onto your iPhone, which is no problem. We're going to hop out of here and then just open up the Settings app of your iPhone. Well, let me go back to the beginning because I'm at the end of where we're supposed to go. So open up the Settings app. And then we're just going to search for WhatsApp and then tap on WhatsApp. Now from here, it could be that they don't have access to your contacts. So at the top, tap on Contacts. And if it's set to none or limited access, tap on Full Access and tap Allow Full Access. After you've done that, I would highly recommend closing out of WhatsApp and then just opening it back up again, and it will register all of the contacts on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.